need to make some hub-centric rings for my Cobra. I already made this on my little Harbor Freight Lathe. I just need to make it to the size to fit in here. So this little Harbor Freight Lathe, I bought it about 3 years ago for $400, and surprisingly it's really good. You can make little parts, small parts that you need for your car, for your Cobra kit car, which is over there. But today I'm making some rings. I already got one lined up, loaded in the lathe. I'm just gonna be cutting little by little and then testing it because I don't know where my calipers are. I think I took them to work and didn't bring them back. So we're just gonna do it by ear or by eye. So we're gonna test it out. This is the finish. Not quite there yet. I'm gonna load it back in the lathe. I'm gonna take a couple thousands more. Touch up. I'm gonna test it. This is a pretty nice finish for a $400 machine.
In the game, and it's solo, so everyone just gravitates towards that one because they want to do it by themselves, make the most money possible. But the diamond just has to be completed with anywhere between 2 to 4
Not quite there yet. Gonna take another couple thousands. Load it into the machine. Don't put too much pressure. Start it up. Look at that finish right there. It's pretty nice. My big laser work doesn't do this nice of a job on aluminum. That's more for like stainless. Not quite there yet.
My recommendation is try to buy one as small as possible just because that makes it easier in order to do your cell missions, which are normally on the top of the map. Now, I've mentioned sometimes throughout this video, separate guys on pretty much all of these businesses. If you want to know how the nightclub works completely, like you're going to need to watch a dedicated video I did on it. Because there's so much to break down and it's really complicated to explain. But I'll give you a brief little intro here. If you want to know more, again, click that video link that'll be in the description. But this is probably one of the worst safes in the game because in order to actually make a decent amount of money from this, you need to do a bunch of popularity missions for your nightclub, which take a really long time and are kind of boring, so that's not really worth your time basically. You can also force different once you've got enough product, you can sell it just like any other passive business, but this is going to be completely solo, which is actually pretty good. So how much can all of these make you? Well, I'll put this list on screen now, that shows you which ones are the best. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, this isn't going to be cheap. And the answer is no. If you want to make a decent amount of money with the nightclub, you need to buy all of the technicians, and you're going to need at least 5 other businesses. So this is definitely not a business I would recommend for any new players. This business is basically only for people who have hundreds of hours in the game already and are planning on playing thousands more. I hope that gave you a bit of an idea of how this works. There's a bit more to go into, so I would recommend watching that full guide if you're planning on getting
is after sanding it a little bit. Hold on. I think this is the right size. It's gonna be the winner. Here's the Cobra. Yeah, I will get custom wheels later. This is just temporary to get the right, to get a more aggressive look. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that fit, guys. Couldn't be any more perfect. Oh my god, now I gotta do another one for the other side. But only with this $400 machine, you can do pretty awesome stuff. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of spacers, but with the hub-centric rings, it's gonna be 100 times safer. And I don't use my car to go drag racing or any type of racing. It's just for show, cruising. So for now, until I get my custom wheels, it will be fine. So I'm gonna pause it here so I can load the next one and machine it. Okay, now I'm machining the inside of the ring, and it's a little bit. Here you can see how the blade is set up, put on the inside.
Get around that. Could get around that into the midnight purple. You reckon? Yeah, do that. Okay, we'll do that. That looks pretty good. We didn't put mud guards on, did we? They didn't barely see them. Black it out. Yeah.
Needs a little bit more.
Doesn't make much difference there. Okay. Did the roof? Did we do the skirts? We did. Spoiler, that's fine. Let's put one on.
That looks too wobbly.
Thanks, Draco. Please, I appreciate that. Transmission, match that. Match that. Wheels.
Better.
actually looks alright with like the red pearlescent, to be honest as well. Yo, that's trippy.
And there it is. It's perfectly fitted in there. It goes on the outside. This goes on the inside. There you go. So I'm gonna put the car back together. Put the spacers on the hub and then the tires on the spacers, and I'll get you a look after that. And here's the final product, guys. You can see in there. This is the spacer. Sorry about that. The spacer, the hub-centric ring, and the hub. See, it fits perfectly between the hub and the ring. So now I know spaces are not perfect, they're not the best, but this is what I gotta use for now. So now the spacer is hub-centric, and I know they say you can find hub-centric wheel spacers. No, I couldn't find any hub-centric wheel spacers that fits my application, so I had to make my own. Now I'm glad I bought that little machine years ago. It's pretty useful, guys. So I'm pretty sure it's not $400 right now. It's probably more like $600 or $700, maybe $800. But if you want something like this to do small stuff, I done a lot of stuff on this car on that little machine. So it's pretty useful. You see those little plugs in there for the wings. Right there. That one right there, I made it on that machine. And some stuff on the interior that my hands are dirty, I don't want to touch it. So thank you guys. I just wanted to show you that little machine and the hub-centric rings on the car. Now as you can see, it's got a more aggressive look with the spacer. Even though the tires are pretty wide already, it looks much better with the wider stance. Thank you guys. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, or whatever you wanna do. Thank you. This is the Illegal Garage.